The introduction chapter of a research dissertation serves as the opening section of the document, setting the stage for the research and providing a comprehensive overview of the study. This chapter is crucial as it introduces the research topic, outlines the research problem, justifies the significance of the study, and presents the research objectives and research questions. The introduction chapter typically follows a structured format and includes the following key components. Background. This section provides the necessary context and background information about the research topic. It includes a brief overview of the field, highlights the key issues or gaps in knowledge, and demonstrates the relevance and importance of the study within the broader academic or practical context. Research problem. Here, the specific problem or gap in the literature that the research aims to address is clearly identified. The research problem should be clearly defined and focused, highlighting the need for further investigation and the potential impact of the study. Objectives. The research objectives outline the goals or purposes of the study. These objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. They provide a clear direction for the research and guide the research design and methodology. Research questions. The research questions are derived from the research objectives and serve as guiding inquiries that the study seeks to answer. These questions should be clear, concise, and aligned with the research problem and objectives. They help to structure the research and provide a framework for data collection and analysis. Significance of the study. In this section, the researcher explains the potential contributions and implications of the research. This may involve discussing how the findings can advance knowledge in the field, address practical issues, or have broader societal impacts. The significance of the study is justified by highlighting the gaps in existing literature and explaining how the research will fill those gaps. Scope and limitations. The scope of the research outlines the boundaries or extent of the study, specifying what will be included and excluded. It helps to define the focus of the research and provides clarity on the expected outcomes. The limitations acknowledge the potential constraints or challenges that may impact the research process or findings, ensuring transparency and realistic expectations. The goal of the introduction in a scientific report is to give the reader an overview of the literature in the field, show the motivation for your study, and share what unique perspective your research adds. Besides, the introduction section provides detailed background information about the study which is clearer and more logical. A precisely written introduction section must have the reasons for conducting the study and clarifies the motivation for the work presented. An introduction elaborates on the context, need, task, and object of the document. At the beginning of the introduction section, some context directs the readers who are less familiar with the research topic. Thereafter, establish the importance of the work. Next, convey the need for the work. Then, the task clarifies the contribution. Finally, the object of the document prepares readers for the structure of the report. It serves as a roadmap for the entire dissertation, orienting the reader and establishing the context for the subsequent chapters. Copy and paste the following command and guidelines to generate the first paragraph of the introduction of the research thesis using ChatGPT. Guidelines, introductory phrases. Importance of research topic that include active research area, about the research topic, timeline. Importance of problems. Introduction to literature review. Drawbacks of previous studies. Lack of solution. Controversial issues. Limited previous studies. Unexplored research area. Command. Provide an introduction of research topic using the above guidelines with journal scientific terms. 1.1 Background and concept. Guidelines. Establishing the detailed background of the research topic. Reviewing previous work. Highlighting the inadequacy of previous research. Indicating a knowledge gap in the field of study. Listing purpose of new research. Explaining the proposed hypothesis. Providing a synopsis of the research methods. Describing the importance of the study. Command. Provide background and concept of research topic using the above guidelines with journal scientific terms. 1.2 Motivation of the work. Guidelines. Issues in research topic. Need for research. Research interest to solve these critical issues. Command. Provide motivation of interest in research topic using the above keywords and guidelines. 1.3 Challenges in research topic, command. Provide minimum 5 challenges on research topic, using journal scientific terms. 1.4 Research problem, command. Provide a minimum of 5 problem statements on research topic, using journal scientific terms. 1.5 Hypothesis, command. Provide 5 main research questions on research topic, using journal scientific terms. 1.6 Thesis contribution, command. Provide thesis contributions using the above keywords and guidelines with journal scientific terms. 1.7 Thesis objectives, command. Provide 5 main research objectives on keywords with journal scientific terms of my thesis. 1.8 Methodology, guidelines. Method 1 is proposed for keywords. Method 2 is further incorporated for keywords. Method 3 is deployed for keywords, command. Provide thesis methodology using the above keywords and guidelines with journal scientific terms. 1.9 Thesis outline, guidelines. Indicate the dissertation structure and statements using keywords and guidelines. The command and guidelines are provided in the description box. Thanks for watching.